Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an unboxing with you. I have a few supplements and I have a few items from Beautycounter. I shared with you guys on my last video that I'm a consultant for Beautycounter. So I'm team Beautycounter. I love Beautycounter. If you've never heard of Beautycounter, they really focus on safer, cleaner beauty products. So there's like 1,800 chemicals that they make sure to eliminate from their makeup. So I love that. I love what they stand for. I love wearing their products. So I have a few Beautycounter products that I wanted to share with you. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is the Think Clean Welcome Set. So when you sign up as a Band of Beauty member, it's $29 a year and you get 10% in product credit on all of your purchases, and you also get free shipping on purchases of $100 or more. So when you sign up as a Band of Beauty member, you will get a actually I ordered this. This is the Brightening Facial Oil. I'll show you this in a second. But you'll get the Think Clean Welcome Set, which it includes a small charcoal mask and the overnight resurfacing peel. So the overnight resurfacing peel, it is supposed to help improve the skin's texture, boost skin's clarity without irritation or over drying the skin. I have tried a few samples of the overnight resurfacing peel and I really like it. It does, you just wake up with your skin just glowing. So I really like the overnight resurfacing peel. The charcoal mask, it says this nutrient-rich kaolin clay mask purifies and balances, absorbing excess oil and drawing out impurities. Apply an even layer to the skin, let dry for 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly. You use it 2-3 times a week. So this is their overnight resurfacing peel and their charcoal mask, which I can't wait to use. I'm going to use it with my daughter, Victoria. So that'll be a fun girls' night. But this is the travel size. So if you order the original size, it's about triple this size, I believe. And then this is a cute little charcoal mask. So it's really small. Their original size is a lot bigger, but this is the Think Clean Welcome Set that you get as a gift for signing up as a Band of Beauty member. So what I ordered, I ordered the All Over Acne Treatment. So the All Over Acne Treatment, I put this on, I would say probably 2-3 times a week. After I wash my face, I'll put the overnight resurface or the all over acne treatment all over my face. It gets rid of those little dark spots that you may have from old pimples or blemishes. It helps to even out the skin tone. But I've used this before. I ran out. I use it faithfully and I just love it. So this is the all over acne treatment. So, and what makes this really effective is it has the salicylic acid in it. So that is what is the active ingredient in this product to help smooth out the skin. But I can speak from personal experience, this product works amazing. So if you struggle with pimples, breakouts, oily skin, counter control, all over acne treatment is really good for that. So I personally love this one. I have not tried the Brightening Facial Oil. This is the Brightening Facial Oil. It says it's a lightweight and silky smooth blend of botanical oils, moisturizes the skin and improves radiance, containing marula oil packed with omegas, vitamin C. The oil provides intense hydration and brightening of the skin. So again, this one is another bestseller of Beautycounter. I have not tried this one yet, so I'm excited to try. Not cheap, I will say, but I hear that this is really good. So this is the Beautycounter Counter Plus Brightening Facial Oil. This is the #1. So I can't wait to try this. Everyone says this oil is really good. So I can't wait to try. So the next box that I have is another Beautycounter box. Okay, so this is some makeup that I ordered from Beautycounter. So first I ordered their brow pencil. So this is their brow pencil. Let me pull it out. It's a little unique. It has a little like a little brush on it. So here's the little brush that you can use. So once you fill in your brows, here's the color. I got the shade, the brow pencil in dark. So this is the brow pencil in dark. This is the color. So you fill in your eyebrows in the little areas where you don't have a lot of hair, and then after you do that, you can use this little mascara looking brush to like blend it in. So I thought that was really unique. So I ordered their brow pencil. Have not tried it yet. And I bought another Skin Twin. So I shared with you guys on my, what was it? Another one of my videos, I think it was Instagram actually, but this is another Skin Twin shade. I ordered another shade because I'm getting a little bit dark. I've been fishing a lot. I'll tell you guys about that later, but I've been fishing a lot, so I have a little tan, so I got another shade, just a shade darker. So the Skin Twin is really cool because it's a really lightweight foundation, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. So if you're older, not that I'm old, but I'm 40, so anything with anti-aging, the hyaluronic acid is in this foundation. So even while you're putting on makeup, you're also helping with anti-aging. You're helping with fine lines, wrinkles, and firming up the skin. So I really like Beautycounter's lightweight foundation. So I went a shade darker. This is Tan 450. So this is the extra shade. So I love this as well. I've used it before, but I needed a shade darker. So I got my foundation. I haven't tried this yet. This is the Counter Match Intense Moisture Serum. So the Counter Match Intense Moisture Serum, it says it's infused with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid. That's the anti-aging ingredient in the Skin Twin. So it helps with anti-aging. This serum delivers an immediate boost of hydration for more youthful looking skin. The formula with vitamin C and E also provides antioxidant protection. Over time, skin will feel firmer and look brighter with an even more skin tone. So I have not tried the Counter Match Intense Moisture Serum, but really good things about it, and it's one of the top sellers for Beautycounter. So this is the Counter Match Intense Moisture Serum that I can't wait to try. So I have to do a video facial trying all of these amazing products. So the next item that I have is the Counter Match Adaptive Moisture Lotion. Another product I have not tried yet, but I hear a lot of things. I hear a lot of great things about it. This is another moisturizer. It's a lightweight lotion that adapts to the skin throughout the day for up to 24 hours of hydration. It provides skin essential building blocks, hydration, nutrition, and oxygenation to keep skin soft, smooth, and glowing. So another one of Beautycounter's top sellers, and I'm excited to try this. This is what the bottle looks like. So I can't wait to try this one. It's a moisturizer. So yeah. And the last thing I have in here is Beautycounter's Melting Balm. And I got this when we had a special. Beautycounter is always having some kind of special. So make sure you go to my website, beautycounter.com/Shanae Belton, and sign up for emails. And you can just browse through the website and see what products you may like, but they're always having a sale. But anyway, I got this free. This was a free gift. If you spend more than $125, you get a free gift. This is my free gift. And this was the Melting Body Balm. And the Melting Body Balm, it says that it's a multitasking balm with luxurious Manoi scent, transforms into an oil and melts into the skin, featuring argan and avocado oils. The nourishing formula helps hydrate and soften, leaving skin with a healthy looking glow. So this you can use on your face, you can use on your body. It's multi-use, so that's what's really cool about the Melting Body Balm. And this is what the packaging looks like. So one of my clients, she uses this, and she has ordered like a second bottle, so it must be really good. And I hear a lot of great things about this item. I have not tried this one either. I just want to see what it smells like. Can't really see. I just want to see what it smells like. It's pretty thick. If you rub it in, that smells so good. It smells very tropical, like pina coladas, or makes me feel like I'm on an island or something. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. It makes me feel like I need to have a pina colada and sit on the beach somewhere and just chill out. But that's what it smells like pina coladas or something. So it really moisturizes your skin. So this is multi-use. You can use it on your face. You can use it on your hands, your body, your feet. So yeah, this is another the Beautycounter's Melting Body Balm. So I'm excited to have this too. So the next box that I have is from allstarhealth.com, and I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just love their website because they have great prices. Like if you shop online for your health supplements, they just always seem to have the best prices. I get all of my butters, like my shea butter, my mango butter, my avocado oils, my apricot oils, my grapeseed oils, all the little oils that I mix to put on my skin. I get my oils from there. I get my essential oils from there. All of my vitamins. They're just really good if you're really into like supplements, and they have good prices for vitamins. They have the best prices. So this is one of my orders that I ordered from them. And let me see what's in here. I don't remember. I know I ordered some iron peels, but other than that, I don't remember what else I ordered. Oh, and I ordered a probiotic. I don't remember what else. So let's see what's in this box. Okay. I think these are my iron peels. Yep, these are my iron peels. So these are, they call them Mega Food Blood Builder Minis, and they have beets, oranges, and broccoli. It's an iron and multivitamin supplement. And I like this one because it's organic, it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, dairy-free, and it doesn't upset your tummy like a lot of iron pills do. But this is what the packaging looks like. This is the back, and it has vitamin C, 15 mgs, folate acid. It has 680 mcgs, vitamin B12. It has 30 mcgs, iron. It has 26 mgs, beetroot. It has 188 mgs. And some of the benefits of this supplement, it says the Mega Food Blood Builder is made from nourishing whole foods like beets, organic oranges, plus folate, iron, and B12 for healthy red blood cell production, and vitamin C to support iron absorption. So the vitamin C is in here to help your body to absorb the iron. But the reason why I've been taking iron supplements is because I don't eat a ton of meat, so I don't get a lot of iron in my diet, and I'm always cold, and my hair, I've read that iron helps with hair growth, and I've been taking these supplements for a while, and it has helped my hair to grow, my natural hair, it has helped my natural hair to like thicken up, like the hairline has thickened up, and it's just really helped with my hair. My hair is it's really helping to grow. I've been taking biotin also, that's been helping with my hair. But this is the iron peel that's really gentle on your stomach. So if you want to try, you should look up the benefits of taking iron to help with hair growth, to see if it's something that's right for you. So this one of my supplements that I got. I also got vitamin B12. So this is another vitamin B12 that I ordered. But vitamin B12, it's good for energy, and anyone that doesn't eat a ton of meat, it's good to have a vitamin B12. So this is the vitamin B12 that I ordered. I also got a probiotic. So this is the probiotic that I have been taking. This is the Probiolicious probiotic gummies. It helps with occasional gas, constipation, diarrhea. It helps to promote healthy digestion and your immune health. Sometimes you get bloated if you eat like a ton of veggies or certain protein powders. I'll get really bloated, and so when I take this, it really helps with like my stomach not feeling bloated, and just your overall digestive system. It's just good to take a probiotic. So I really like this one, and it tastes really yummy. And I also got apple cider vinegar. So it's supposed to help to promote healthy diet, helps with weight loss. So this is a vegetarian formula. So yeah, I got this to help with my diet, exercise, and weight loss. So those are the supplements that I got. And I have one more box to share. Hopefully you can see it. It's a huge box. So hopefully I can get it on camera. But it's my new fishing pole. It's my new fishing, oops. Sorry, I just hit my daughter in the face trying to get this huge box. Sorry, Victoria. Oh gosh. Okay, so I got a new fishing pole. So if you follow me on Instagram, I've been sharing a lot of fishing images. Me and my husband, we've been really enjoying fishing. We live in Florida, and it's just one of those things I've always wanted to do and learn how to do. So I started out with a tiny little fishing pole. My line kept breaking, and I just feel more confident having a more sturdy fishing pole to fish when I fish. So when I catch the bigger fish, I know my pole can handle it. So I invested in a quality fishing pole. I have I'll try to open it and try to show you as much as I can. It's a huge box. So I'm gonna try to open it without beating up my daughter over there in the background. Oh gosh. But I'm so excited that it came. I got the fishing pole box open after hitting my daughter in the head a few times. The box was huge. I'm gonna try to show you. It's so big. I'll try to show you as best as I can on camera because it's a really big pole. But look how cute it is. It's pink. It has a cute pink handle. It's so pretty. And they packaged it really well. This is actually a replacement. My first one I ordered, it wasn't this pink color and the bell was bent. So I had to send it back. And so this is actually a replacement. So they packaged this one really, really well. But here's my new pole. It's a pin pole. It's a 5,000, let's see, let me get the specs on it in just a second. Let me finish opening it. I like this one a lot better than the first one that I had. So I'm actually glad the first one, the bell was broken, because I actually wanted this one, but it was a little bit more pricey. But this is a pin, let me get the specs on it. This is the Pin Passion. It's a rod and reel combo. So this is the tag. The specs on it. It is a HT100 carbon fiber drag washer, 5+ stainless steel bearing system, ergonomic wind grips, whatever that means. I'm still a new little fisherman or fisherwoman. I don't know what all these things mean, but I will learn. It's a graphite composite bank. So it is just, it's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. I love the pink handle. So I can't wait to use it. But if you follow me on Instagram, follow me at Shanae Belton. I'm always sharing the fish that me and my husband catch. But this is the pole. It has this pretty little pink detailing on it. It's really long. If you can see, I don't think I can fit all of it on the camera. But yes, it came in today. I'm so excited. I really am, because I thought it wasn't going to get here until the 15th. So this made my day that it came in today. So this is all I wanted to share with you guys. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to check out any of the Beautycounter products, if you have any questions, just email or just make a comment down below. I'll be glad to help with any questions. If you want to purchase anything, again, my link is beautycounter.com/Shanae Belton. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.